How to transfer TikTok draft to a new phone. So here I will simply choose the draft that I want to transfer. So this is the draft I want to be transferred. So I will simply click on the next button here, and after clicking on next, what we have to do is we can simply post this a particular TikTok that we want to be transferred to another new phone. So we can simply have to post this to only me option. Here I will just show you how. So we can simply, here you can see that there is an option of not this one. So I'll simply click on back, and here you can see an option of everyone can view this post. So here we can click on only you, and you can simply post this, and in whichever phone you log into your TikTok, you will be able to see your TikTok draft, like whichever you posted. And yeah, that is how you can transfer TikTok drafts to your new phone by posting it, and it will be on private.